What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we're setting aside the STI because it's almost done and we kind of wanted to take a break from it. So today we're going to be working on Luis's BMW. It's kind of like a DIY type learning video because we've never done this before. So it's a learning experience for us, so you guys can kind of learn from that and, you know, a little DIY. So I'll show you guys what we're working with.
Alright guys, so I got the LEDs here. Let's see the box. This box that it came in. I know it says like it looks really cheap and everything, but on the website it was a 1UP lighting, and just a friend recommended to me. He's like, oh, just get this one because he was buying it at the same time. But yeah, so it's just a cheap freaking kit. It was like 80 bucks, so not that cheap, but still.
We're just gonna see.
Like, I think a regular one costs like around 200.
Yeah, we'll see how it does.
Yeah, I want to see how it does because whatever. I already had it. I had it in my trunk sitting for a while, and since we're not working on the STI, I might as well take a swing at it. And yeah, guys, so I have all this already, and basically this is like super easy kinda. The only thing that's pretty much hard is basically make sure that these stick on to the car. And basically hiding the wires, that it's not hitting any heat or anything like that. Just tucking the wires, that's the only pretty much the hard part. And all of how it usually works is basically a positive and negative that we have here. And basically the positive and the negative. Oh, actually I was gonna say this is like Bluetooth lighting kit, so you can control it with your phone. It's multiple colors. And how I said, all you gotta do is, for the black, which is your ground, you're just gonna stick it either pretty much to the
on bare metal,
battery, bare metal, all that works. And this you can hook it up to the battery, but what I'm gonna do is put an accessory wire, because if you hook it up to the battery, this is always gonna be running, basically always searching up for your phone, and it pretty can drain your battery if your battery is kind of weak or something like that. But that's why I advise better to put an accessory wire, so when the car turns on, this is gonna have power and basically it's gonna light up, because in the app I can control it on and off. And my car is honestly super simple. If you have a BMW, your battery is in the trunk, and I already have an accessory wire because I have subwoofers. I needed to get one, and my accessory wire came from a fuse, because you can also, if you don't know where to tap into, you can do it on the fuse. Just make sure it's basically the fuse is getting power when the car gets power. Also, I've seen people connect them to already daytime running lights or cigarette lighters too.
Yeah, cigarette lighters.
Yeah, as long what I would advise to do is test it first, make sure it turns on, and basically when the car is off, it's gonna turn off. And yeah. All we did is we're probably going to tap into that accessory wire that I have from the sub, and there's a grommet here that basically your power runs through the front, that way in case you want to jump this car. So we already poked a hole there, and that's pretty much where I'm going to get the power from, and from there it's basically just sticking these on and hiding the wire. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got my mind back. Anyways, what I was going to say is make sure, keep in mind that since when you're using 3M, you got to keep pretty much a little bit of this, but make sure the surface is for sure warm. The tape is not going to stick on if it's cold. And I'm actually, just to be extra safe, I'm probably going to use, what is it called? The promoter?
Adhesion promoter.
Adhesion promoter, that way it sticks on for sure good.
Yeah, so we'll heat it up, I put adhesion promoter on it. We'll clean up the surface of where we're gonna put it, and then we'll put zip ties on both ends of the wires. So for example, like we'll zip tie it from right here on one end, and then we'll zip tie it the other one to one end. So that way, if the double-sided tape does go off, then at least the ends won't be dangling down, and you know it won't be scraping on the ground as like you're driving down the road.
Wires or something in case like one of them falls off. But yeah, let's get to it.
Alright guys, so basically what we did so far is we ran the wire right there to the inside, so that way we can extend the wire on the module. And then right now we kind of took this big cover off, which is over there, And Luis is zip tying everything, securing everything down.
It's not fully secured, but just
Yeah.
so I can hold on to the wire.
For right now.
Got the wire.
And we ran it through here. We'll probably end up moving this piece of wire right here a little further back. Wired it through here. And then we kind of had to cut up a little bit of the under trim, like the piece that covers it up. And now we're just cleaning it with some, pretty much you can clean it with alcohol. We are using lacquer thinner. And that's the piece that we cut off to make it fit. So that way it wouldn't just sit on the side skirt. So that way it'll sit like kind of flush. And then if anything, it'll hit, like if Luis does hit something on the road, it'll hit the side skirts and not the lights.
Yeah.
So
we're kind of thinking of side skirts, kind of like side skirts. It'll pretty much knock it out.
Yeah. So right now we're cleaning it up, and we're about to stick the first one on, and then we'll trim it to, well, we'll cut the strip to what we need. And then we'll update you guys here when we have most of it done and when we put the other ones on. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Right, Angel.
Alright. So tell them what happened, Luis.
Alright, so apparently this fucking kit is way too fucking short.
The kit! Guys,
So,
do not buy this kit.
Do not buy this kit, because first of all, this has to be in a safe place.
Okay.
They should have had extra wire, because
Okay, so
we mounted the first one that goes right there. And when we try to just test fit the rear, we could not reach the rear.
So,
and then we try to reach the rear, we found a possible way.
But
We
then
go to the front, there's no way in the front.
alright, so what happened basically is, like Luis said, we put this one on, we try to put the one in the rear. Literally, like, with the wire being super tight, it was barely reaching. And then we still needed the other side and the front. Once we went to the front, it did not fit. So Luis and me have decided to retrofit this kit, and we're only going side skirts. Right, Luis?
Yeah, so pretty much we're just gonna do the sides. And we already cut the first one that goes on the rear. And we're gonna cut the other
We're
one.
gonna cut the other one, so
Yeah.
this is the right one, right?
There's a shorter one. Yeah, just do it. It's good.
Guys, don't buy this kit.
Don't buy this kit
Don't
at
buy
all.
this kit. Guys,
Waste your money.
They don't lie when they say you get what you pay for.
Yeah.
And this is what Luis got for $80. Like this kit is too short. Like, if you're gonna get Underglow, get some real Underglow. This is like, you guys saw this. This shit was made in China.
Made in China.
Like, yeah. You don't want this kit.
We love China, but
Not this one.
not the cheap product that they gave us.
Products. So, and then another thing, like, if you guys can tell, like,
Oh, wait,
this
hold
isn't
up,
really.
hold up.
I don't know if it'll focus or not.
I don't want to touch the camera. We have gloves.
Yeah, but if you guys can
Oh,
tell
there
or
you go.
not, but like, this rubber seal that's supposed to be like the water sealant, it's like
It's supposed to be tight.
Yeah, it's it's supposed to be stuck in there, and it's like literally like loose.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna rate this product a. Actually, I'm gonna rate it after we install it, so to see if it actually even works with those things.
Okay, no, right now, so probably we already cut 2 wires. We're gonna test it, see if it turns on, because I don't know if after you cut off the 2 wires.
I asked Luis. I told him if he was sure, and he said he was sure. So my boy's made out of money. He owns a Beamer.
No, not really, but you know.
We'll see.
We bought this product just so you don't do it.
Yeah, we're here to show you what not to do and to learn from our mistakes.
Exactly.
So this DUI is successful if you don't cut the front and rear, if this turns on still. So we'll update you guys here in a little bit once we're done with this shit, and we'll stick this on, plug it in,
and see if it works.
Yeah, we'll see if it works.
Yep. Alright guys, moment of truth. So
We want to test it before we install everything, and then like say we put this all back together and we run the wires, and then it doesn't turn on. So we want to make sure that it actually like turns on, because like we said, these 2 side ones are gone for sure. We'll probably like get butt connectors.
I think I got connectors.
Or something that.
I think even like that it should kind of be alright, fine. But
Well,
just
we're gonna
do it
put
just
butt
to be
connectors or
secure.
like electrical tape over it, just so like it doesn't touch anything. But we're gonna test it right now and see if they turn on. If they turn on, we're still gonna continue with this install. If not, then you guys will. The video's gonna cut right here.
Just a blooper.
So we'll see what's up.
Alright, so. Oh,
So-
shit. So that's a negative, positive, and put it in.
Hold up. Ah!
Hold it good.
Hold it, chill.
Alright, hold it.
Alright, guys.
Looks like they work.
Looks like they work, so
We're continuing.
We're gonna continue.
Hey!
Alright, guys, so Luis right now is wiring the rest of it up right quick. Just
Pretty much the power.
power and then the accessory cable, and then everything else on the bottom is all good. So once Luis hooks this up to this, it should work.
We need to make sure the white is negative, right?
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah, it's negative. But anyways, we're gonna make sure that it turns on and it works with Luis's phone for his Bluetooth. And if that all checks out, then we should be good to go. And we'll show you a couple clips of it at night, since you know
It's already night.
it's dark outside. So you guys will get that preview. So see you in a little bit.
Alright guys, so I think everything is hooked up. If everything goes how planned, the side skirts should light up. So, I'm nervous. You nervous, bro?
No, it's not my car.
Oh, okay. What's up?
Oh, they turned on.
Let it go.
They turned on.
Yeah.
Oh, alright, let's see. Alright.
Alright, let me see if they work. Alright.
Let's go check the other side, guys.
Oh yeah, the other side.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. They both light up.
Hey! I think you're lying. Alright. So, for now...
Oh, shit.
Alright,
Oh, yeah, the change color. Oh, let's see it. Let's see it.
Let's see. That's red. Green. Okay, okay. Blue.
Oh, shit. Dude, actually, they're pretty bright, dude.
Oh, I can lower it too.
Oh, shit.
Alright, no cops. Cops.
What are you gonna set it as?
Oh, the blue one looks nice. Let me see white. Alright guys, I think white was the one that I freaking had problems with last time. It looks kind of white, huh? I didn't know what color it is. It's just an RGB. Bluish, reddish.
Alright, guys, so with the
On
kit,
and off.
80 bucks, you can get Bluetooth from the car, and let's see, turn it off.
No, turn it off.
See, Luis can turn it off. On,
No.
on, off. So, yeah. So, I mean, it's really up to you guys to...
So this is the wheel. So let's see if the colors change. It's not bad, dude.
No. So for 80 bucks, Luis, do you say that this was worth it?
I mean, I'm still mad that the other ones didn't work. I mean, it's just the only thing that it was extra wire. And I think if we wanted to like ghetto rig it, we could have easily pretty much wired it up, like, you know, got extra wire and everything. But when we cut it, I saw that there was three different wires. So there was positive, negative. I don't know what the other one was.
The other one was probably for like a remote wire or something.
Or
like
something,
yeah. But for 80 bucks, if you were just planning to do the sides, I would say look for a kit that only has the sides, because really, like, you don't really need like the front. If you're gonna get like a full kit, just make sure that it's a decent kit, because like you guys saw, like Luis paid 80 bucks for this kit, so like he can't really complain. So I mean, he got the sides done.
Yeah, honestly, the sides, and I think that's mostly just, we're mostly gonna use it for picture.
Yeah,
I can cruise with them, because for sure I might get pulled over.
This kit would be good if you had like a smaller car.
It's good.
But
Oh, was that the...
we're gonna take it out right now and see what's up. See what it looks like in the dark.
Alright, so we got my boy Gil and my boy Tommy. They have not seen it yet. They're about to find out.
Sorry for the video quality, guys. It's trash.
All right. Any color.
Yeah, red looks good.
Dang, dude.
You guys see something?
What's up?
Huh?
Yeah, we see it.
You guys see something missing?
The front and the rear.
How do you know?
So we're just messing around. Those are extras in the box?
Yeah, we had to cut them, bro. They didn't fit.
They did not reach at all, so we just figured said fuck it, and we just kind
The
of
coupe life. So can you add some?
It's not bad,
No,
bro.
it's pretty good. How fast can it go?
What do you mean? Like,
Continuously, like the colors.
I have to change that. You can control the speed. Like, that's a faster.
Good, bro.
Like that's like lower speed.
One looks the best. I say the red looks the best underneath of this.
Just like that? I think that looks pretty clean.
I think it looks
Damn,
clean
Dominic
'cause of-
Toretto.
Oh! Toretto.
That was good, bro.
Hey, Paul had it.
For Paul, right?
For Paul, bro.
This for, hey, this for Paul. Hey, how do you do it? How do you do it? For Paul.
For Paul. That was good, bro. That's good. Congrats.
Alright guys, so I think this is the end of the video. This is how to do it halfway. Yeah, I think it was successful, kinda, you know?
We didn't fuck anything up.
Yeah, and it works. It lights up.
Alright, guys, well, this is going to be the end of the video. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.